In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on DNSSEC in GoDaddy. This is a quick yet crucial step to enhance the security of your domain. So, let's dive right in and guide you through this in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the GoDaddy website. Simply type GoDaddy into your search engine and it should be one of the top results. Click on the link and it'll take you to the main GoDaddy homepage. Now that you're on the GoDaddy website, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Sign In option at the top right corner of the page. If you're not yet logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Make sure you use the correct username and password associated with your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you might need to verify your identity at this stage, so have your phone at the ready just in case. After logging in, you'll be presented with your account dashboard. Here, you should be able to see your portfolio of domains. If you have several domains, take a moment to locate the one you want to enable DNSSEC for. Go ahead and click on that specific domain to open its settings page. Once you're on the domain settings page, look for the DNS tab. It's here where you'll be able to manage and configure many aspects of your domain's DNS settings. Now, scan through the options until you find the DNSSEC section. This is the feature we're focusing on today. When you find it, you'll see an option to turn it on. Go ahead and select it. Turning on DNSSEC is an important security step, as it helps to ensure that visitors to your site are not redirected by attackers to malicious websites. It works by creating a chain of trust from your domain back to the root of the DNS infrastructure. So, enabling this feature adds an additional layer of protection. After selecting the option to turn on DNSSEC, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for an email address. This is where GoDaddy will send you notifications regarding any key changes. Be sure to enter an email address that you check regularly. Once you've entered your email, click the Save button to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully turned on DNSSEC for your domain in GoDaddy. It's a quick process, but incredibly vital for maintaining the security and integrity of your domain. Thanks for following along, and make sure to keep your domain secure by regularly checking for any additional security settings you might need to configure. See you in the next video.